Hi students, I hope all of you are fine at home. Today we will learn the topic the leaf and venation, which is under class 11 subject biology chapter 5 morphology of flowering plants. Now students, this topic the leaf and venation, I hope you know that this topic has been deleted from your syllabus. But I am making this video so that you have proper conception and knowledge about the topic. Because later on in your higher studies or in your competitive exams, if you don't know about this topic, then you may face difficulty. So that you don't face any difficulty, just for your knowledge, I am making the video from this topic. Students, I want to say you that you don't have to prepare this topic for your exam. Certificates will not be sent for this topic and you don't have to prepare any question answer or any other notes or anything from this topic. Only for your knowledge, I am making this video so that you have a proper idea about the topic and things given in this chapter. So let us start. The leaf and venation. The leaf, which is a lateral, generally flattened structure borne on the stem, develops at the node and bears a bud in its axil. So, the leaf is a lateral, generally flattened structure borne on the stem and which develops at the node and bears a bud in its axil. The axillary bud later develops into a branch. The axillary bud later develops into a branch. Leaves originate from shoot, apical meristems, and are arranged in an acropetal order. Arranged in an acropetal order. In my previous videos, I have already explained you about acropetal order. Most important, the leaf is the most important vegetative organ for photosynthesis, because we know that the process of photosynthesis is carried out in the green leaves. A typical leaf has three main parts, that is the leaf base, the petiole or the stalk, and lamina or leaf blade, that is the surface of the leaf. The leaf is attached to the stem by leaf base. The leaf is attached to the stem by leaf base and may bear two lateral small leaf-like structures called stipules. Small leaf-like structures called stipules. In monocots, the leaf base expands into a sheath covering the stem. In monocots, the leaf base expands into a sheath covering the stem, partially or wholly. In some leguminous plants, the leaf base may become swollen, which is known as pulpings. So, in some leguminous plants, the leaf base may become swollen, which is known as pulpings. Now, students, I will show you some picture which you observe it carefully and listen to my explanation. In this picture, you can see it is showing the parts of a leaf. You can see the labelings, that is the petiole or the stalk. You can see the two lateral small leaf-like structures called stipules. You can see the lamina or the leaf blade. It is labeled as blade. That is the surface of the leaf. You can see the midrib and the vein and also the small netted veins. The petiole or the stalk help to hold the leaf blade towards the light. Long, thin, flexible petioles allow leaf blades to flutter in wind, thereby cooling the leaf and bringing fresh air to leaf surface. The lamina or the leaf blade, which is labeled as blade in this diagram, is the green expanded part of the leaf with veins and veinlets. The veinlets are labeled as small netted vein. There is usually a middle prominent vein which is known as the midrib. You can see the midrib, that is a middle prominent vein. Veins provide rigidity to the leaf blade and act as channels of transport for water, minerals and food materials. The shape, margin, apex, surface and extent of incision of lamina, that is the V-shaped cuts of leaf blade, varies in different leaves. So students, this is the diagram of a parts of a leaf and these are the labelings which I have explained you. Now students, we will learn about venation. Venation in case of leaves. The arrangement of veins and the veinlets in the lamina of leaf is termed as venation. I repeat, the arrangement of veins and the veinlets in the lamina of leaf is termed as venation. I have already shown you the picture. There you have observed it is labeled as vein, and also veinlets are also labeled in that diagram as small netted veins. So the arrangement of veins and the veinlets in the lamina of leaf is termed as venation. When the veinlets form a network, the venation is termed as reticulate. When the veinlets in the lamina of leaf forms a network, then the venation is termed as reticulate or reticulate venation. When the veins run parallel to each other within a lamina, the venation is termed as parallel or parallel venation. So when the veins runs parallel to each other within a lamina, the venation is termed as parallel venation. Leaves of dicotyledonous plants. Leaves of dicotyledonous plants generally possess reticulate venation, while parallel venation is the characteristics of most monocotyledons or monocotyledonous plants. So students, this is a very important point. You should remember that leaves of dicotyledonous plants generally possess reticulate venation, while